how to fix age restriction, age verification error on Twitter. So if you want to fix your age restriction or age verification error on Twitter, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Twitter or your X application and then go with your profile, which is on the top left, and tap on the profile section, and this will take you to this kind of interface. Then click on the edit profile section, which is on the right side. Now click on your date of birth. Update your date of birth and make sure it's 18 plus. Click on save. Now what you have to do is just simply go back again, click on your profile, and then scroll down and go with settings and support. Select settings and privacy, and then you need to tap on your account. And from your account, you need to go with account information. Then click on log out. After logging out, log in again on your account, and you won't see the age verification problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.